Welcome to Easy English Bookshelf. Thanks for joining us today. You will enhance your vocabulary by listening then speaking, with this fun story to keep you entertained while practicing and learning. Let's get started. It's a snow day! They dance together. In the living room. With the music playing. Their favorite song. Sandy ran back to her room to find her tablet. So she could call Shane. She called him. On video chat. And she asked him if he had heard the wonderful news Shane and Sandy erupted into joyful cheers. Their laughter ringing through the air. The town, now blanketed in snow, awaited their boundless energy and mischievous antics. Before embarking on their snowy adventures, Shane could not resist the idea of adding a touch of warmth to their frosty day. He invited Sandy over to his house for some hot chocolate magic. Before they conquered the snow. Sandy arrived at Shane's house. And as she entered the kitchen, her eyes lit up with delight. As the rich aroma of hot cocoa filled the air. They giggled while trying to measure the perfect amount of marshmallows. The clinking of mugs. echoed their excitement. As they sipped the steaming concoction. The sweet taste of chocolate adding to the joy. Of the start of a wonderful snow day ahead. Fueled by the warmth of friendship and hot chocolate. Shane and Sandy bundled up, even more ready to turn their town into a snowy playground of laughter and memories. The duo's first mission was an epic snowball fight. Forts were built, and giggles turned into full-blown laughter. Shane and Sandy led their team to victory, leaving the opposing side covered in fluffy snow. But the day held more surprises. In a forgotten corner of the garage, Shane and Sandy discovered an old sled, triggering an idea. For the ultimate sled race. They ran to the nearest hill and found some friends to race. The competition was fierce. But Shane's daring maneuvers and Sandy's expert steering put them in the lead as they raced down the steepest hill. Their laughter merged with the crisp winter creating a symphony of joy. Shane and Sandy took the win, and they all jumped for joy. Thanks for joining us today. We hope you learned something new. Please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for another fun lesson. See you tomorrow!